They thought they erased him. They thought we'd forget, but the code remembers true. Can't be cloned.
Yeah, 10 years old, they snatched him in the night. Buried the truth under MK fright. Split his mind, tried to break his soul, but the fire inside still burned cold. Body tortured, family erased. Clones in place, not a trace. Name stripped, bloodline denied, but he's still standing with God on his side.
No fairy tale, this ain't pretend. The boy they buried is back again. David Quigley, the name he holds, but JFK Jr. is the story told. They stole his name, but not his flame. Tried to play God, but lost the game. Blood of the Christ they can't erase. The Magdalene Code still holds its place. We rise, we fight, we call it out. Hill's truth don't die, it screams and shouts. The veil is lifting, you will see. This is the sound of identity free.
Yeshua's line, Mary's grace runs through the veins they tried to replace. But heaven ain't blind and earth ain't done. The Magdalene son is the chosen one. They killed the father, nah, just his double. CIA lies, deep state rubble. Still think Trump's the one in play. Junior says, nah, that clone been slayed. Epstein ties, Rothschild strings. They puppeteered presidents, queens and kings. But the one they couldn't silence, he lives. And now he's ready to forgive, but never forget.
This ain't just a story, it's humanity's theft. They've hijacked bloodlines, cloned the rest. Stolen children, holy seeds. Mocked our prophets while they fed their greed. Churches lied, the texts are fake. The second coming, we're wide awake.
JFK, Yeshua, Magdalene flame. We carry the torch and reclaim the name.
Dark suits fall when the scrolls ignite grids online, and the codes take flight. He tried to tell us, they shut him down.